He is waiting in the valley, he is watching from the hill. He is hoping yet to have me. The devil wants me still, the devil wants me still. My bags are packed and ready, coat and hat are by the door. Keys are on the table, I won't fret no more, I won't fret no more. He used to speak in riddles and confound me with his rhymes. Now he tells me stories clear as Christmas chimes, clear as Christmas chimes. She listens for the voices ascending from the well, all the pleasure that they give her. No human tongue can tell, no human tongue can tell. The whisper of the stranger soft against her cheek makes her cheeks grow rosy and her knees go weak, and her knees go weak. Daddy was a preacher with the fever in the brain, all his wives and daughters deacons. The whole lot was insane, Lord, the whole lot was insane. He is waiting in the valley, he is watching from the hill. He is hoping yet to have me. The devil wants me still, the devil wants me still. Thank you.